So what's up, everyone? Paint Freak here, the Freak Chef. Fuck yeah. And today I'm doing 3 different things with a simple, slow-cooked beef. I'm using a chuck roast. It's just a small portion of it. It's going to be very busy for the next 3 days. This is a great thing and a great idea to use when you got a very busy week, very busy schedule or something like that. And so what I did was today was kind of pretty slow. I mean, I got a lot of work done at home and stuff, so I just threw the beef in the chuck roast portion, like the piece that I cut out. Because this is going to be like 3 meals for me over the next 3 days. I also got pretty much, I'm just kind of putting together something with like some leftover stuff I have laying around from another meal I made for family, some leftovers that I have from home. Well, I am home. And got some cilantro, some flour tortillas, and this beef has been slow cooking for the past like 5 hours. I think we're going on to 6 because I've been busy working on some editing of the videos and photos and stuff, and working on the cookbook, which I can't wait. Should be coming out soon. Holy shit. Hell yeah. So, I should probably unplug this. Pretty much done with it. And I want to get the beef out of here for now. I also have my oven preheated 425, 450, 450 degrees. Because I'm just going to make a quick little quesadilla with the beef. Now, I made the beef in a slow cooker with just a little bit of like better than bouillon. But you can use like bouillon cubes, beef stock, or just plain water. It's fine. It's just very simple, very plain. Because once I put this in the container, I'm going to take a little bit out to make some quesadillas with tonight. But I'm also going to keep it in the fridge to make some really fast and quick recipes for the next few days. I'll probably do like some tacos and other stuff just because I have like these flour tortillas that I got to use up. I got some cheese. So I'm going to flavor them as I go along. Maybe some taquitos or burritos. I don't know. We're just going to have some fun and find out. So let's go ahead and get this out of here for now. Because that is so freaking done. Not even funny. And that's it. It's just like maybe a little portion of the chuck roast that I got. Oh, nice little piece fell off right there. I'm just going to break this apart. It looks like shredded beef. I mean, in essence, it's really all it is. There is not much to this, like I said. It's just better than bouillon and water. I didn't do salt or pepper or anything, so it is going to be pretty bland, but that's cool. Because what I want to do is use this for a number of different recipes, and I just wanted the soft pulled apart beef to use in the recipes I want to do. So I'm going to keep this kind of dry for now. There's tons of juice in that, of course. There we go. So, like I said, I'm going to be building a quesadilla, and it's going to be very simple. Like I said, I got the oven preheated. You can do this in a pan, you can do this on your grill, flat top, whatever. Here's a quick little snack while I keep working tonight on some stuff for my cookbook. Hell yeah, I can't wait. So, yeah, make sure you guys check out the links for more information about my cookbook. Alright. I also have a little cilantro here. I took a stem off, or a little bit of it off. I'm just going to cut that up. Just kind of get some of that down on my thing here. Just to give it a little flavor. There we go. That's good. Just a little bit. Alright, next up is the cheese. I'll do this in the oven, but again, like if you're doing it on like a grill or in your pan or something, then you can go ahead and put oil or butter or something on the actual outside of this. I'm just going to get it baked in the oven for a little bit, just to get the cheese melted up a little. I mean, that's really it. We're going to take this, just like that. Bring it over here towards our meat because this is kind of warm and hot. And we just need a little meat in there. There's not a lot of flavor to this meat because, again, we just did it in the slow cooker with what's called better than bouillon. So it kind of has like it enhances the beefy flavor about it, but not exactly heavily seasoned. But I'm just doing this to make a beef quesadilla. That's all it really is. There we go. Probably throw a little more cheese on the top of that. And that just helps hold it together. Probably a little easier when you do it that way. Okay. Now if I'm doing like a whole bunch of quesadillas and stuff, I will stack. I'll fill the whole thing and put another one on top. I'm not doing that. This, quite easy. You can use garlic, you can use onion powder. Whatever you want to use, just give it a little shake in there. Because again, that beef is not really seasoned. I'll give it a hit of some salt and pepper though. There we go. Okay, we're going to take this, fold it in half, just like that, and right into the oven. So we're going to let that go for just about a couple minutes. I mean, we're just melting the cheese. We'll cut it up in little triangle things and stuff. And it should be pretty good. So the reason why I'm doing the plain beef thing, because I'm going to use this for a number of different things. I'm going to add some peppers and onions to it tomorrow. With some other seasonings. So I'm going to make a number of different dishes from it. And so this way it's kind of like there's a variety. But you're not stuck with one flavor. So it is pretty plain the way I did it in the slow cooker for the day. But it's going to be very versatile and useful in a number of different ways, and just being able to pull it out of the fridge. This is great, like if you've got a busy household, multiple people that eat different times of the day and they just want to make some quick stuff. I mean, it took no time once the beef is done, even for us to take it out of the pot, shred it up, and just start making the quesadilla that we're doing now. So we're going to check back in on this in a little bit. Alright, so we've had that in there for about 5 minutes, and yep, it is done. So get a nice little golden, a little crisp around the edges. Yeah. And so here we go. Nice simple quesadilla. We'll get a knife and we'll go ahead and chop that up. And everything. Yeah, that cheese melted nice. Look, it's nice and crisp. But there we go. That is good. It's really too hot to handle at this point. But fuck my shit. Anyway. So, and we have a nice little quesadilla, and I'm going to munch on that. I got some sour cream that I got to use up, so that's going on it as well. I'm Paint Freak, the Freak Chef. In the next few videos, you're going to see more things that I'm making with the beef that we just made in the slow cooker. So make sure you follow, subscribe, whatever, to check out the rest of the recipes I'm doing and how quick they are. That was just in there 5 minutes, and we're ready to eat once it cools off and you can touch it. But, fuck my shit. Anyway, check out my website, painfreakofficial.com, for the recipes, ideas, how to book me to cook for your special private erotic culinary party. I'm Paint Freak, your private culinary paint toy freak chef. Oh yeah. So, yeah, check out my website. Love you guys.